Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dua and in today's video we are going to be making chocolate brownies. Now, who doesn't love brownies, right? This is something you can make for the family and everyone's going to enjoy it. So let's go! So start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. The two ingredients you'll need at first is 200 grams of chocolate and 200 grams of butter. I prefer using milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate as well. So add the chocolate and the butter into a pan on medium heat and stir from time to time so the chocolate doesn't burn at the bottom. And once it's done, you need to leave it to cool and it should look like this. Then take 300 grams of caster sugar and 3 eggs, add them to a bowl and whisk until light and fluffy. Then take the chocolate once it's been cooled and add it to the egg mixture. But make sure the chocolate is completely cool, otherwise it's going to scramble the eggs. Then take 100 grams of flour and 45 grams of cocoa powder and sift it into the bowl. And mix everything together. And it should look like this. Then pour the mixture into a lined baking tray and bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Don't overbake it because it's supposed to be nice and gooey from the center. Serve it with some scoops of vanilla ice cream. And there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And of course, the ingredients as well as the method will be in the description box below. Bye guys.